This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Roberta Carros. Welcome home. This is not your ordinary townhome. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage in-unit home with 2,106 square feet living space offers a spacious open floor plan. This is the perfect in-unit. The closets are large and ample storage. This is an end unit which allows for a lot of natural light to enter the home. A 2-car garage, pickleball courts and walking trails. The upstairs loft makes a great playroom or media space. The owner's suite is conveniently located on the first floor and the 2 guest rooms privately located on the second floor with a shared bathroom. The school district is highly sought after. Woodleaf Hammock is a gated community located in the heart of Lakewood Ranch and nestled within minutes of outdoor recreation, restaurants, shopping and medical facilities. Affordable living at its finest with the convenience of amenities such as a gated entry, heated, resort-style pool, community-covered pavilion, outdoor summer kitchen, playground, dog parks, pickleball courts and a large outdoor playfield. Easy commute to I-75 as well as many work centers and Gulf of Mexico beaches. Do not wait, schedule your private booking today. For more information, review the details below or contact Roberta Carros at 941-993-5088.